Introduction to English Literature. English literature is the literature which is distinctly written in the English language as opposed to differing languages. English literature includes literature composed in English by writers not necessarily from England nor primarily English speaking nations. Until the early 19th century, this article deals with literature from Britain written in English. Then America starts to produce major writers and works in literature. In the 20th century, America and Ireland produced many of the most significant works of literature in English, and after World War II, writers from the former British Empire also began to challenge writers from Britain. Let us see the geographical background. This is the British Isles. Great Britain is the largest of the British Isles. On Great Britain are located three constituent countries of the United Kingdom: Scotland in the north, England in the south, and East and Wales in the west. There are also numerous smaller islands off the coast of Great Britain. The British Isles is an archipelago consisting of the two large islands of Great Britain and Ireland and many smaller surrounding islands. By tradition, it also includes the Channel Islands. Although they are physically closer to the continent mainland, the full list of islands in the British Isles includes over 6,000 islands, of which 51 have an area larger than 20 km. History of English literature. The Anglo-Saxon period, which begins from 449 to 1600 BC. The Anglo-Saxons, who were they? Anglo-Saxon is the term applied to English-speaking inhabitants of Britain from around the middle of the 5th century until the time of the Norman conquest, when the Anglo-Saxon line of English kings came to an end. The Anglo-Saxons, where did their language come from? Bede tells us that the Anglo-Saxons came from Germania. The languages spoken by the inhabitants of Germania were a branch of the Indo-European family of languages, which linguists believed developed from a single language spoken some 5,000 years ago in an area that has never been identified. Perhaps some say the Couscous. Old English dialects. The language spoken by the Anglo-Saxons at the time of their migration to Britain was probably more or less uniform. Over time, however, Old English developed into four major dialects: Northumbrian, spoken north of the river Humber; Mercian, spoken in the Midlands; Kentish, spoken in the Kent; West Saxon, spoken in the southwest. Old English literature or Anglo-Saxon literature encompasses literature written in Old English in Anglo-Saxon England in the period after the settlement of the Saxons and other Germanic tribes in England, after the withdrawal of the Romans, and ending soon after the Norman conquest in 1066. The Anglo-Saxon influenced English literature when they brought with them a rich tradition of oral literature steeped in their customs, pagan beliefs, and rituals. The lyric and the epic poetry they wrote told of the hardships of survival and the importance of courage in performing heroic deeds. It dignified the difficulties and danger faced by the warriors before they succeeded in their heroic feats. Some English literary works in this period ecclesiastically history of the English people, and Cadmon hymn by Bede, Anglo-Saxon chronicle by Alfred the Great, The Wanderer, Jewer's Lament, A Dream of the Road, The Battle of Maldon, Beowulf. The significant literary genres were chronicle, formulaic poetry, epic poem, tribal scope. Some significant literary works in this period came from anonymous writers.